What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, that guy, my high, tuning back in for another reaction. This time we got another one of them ring doorbell situations. This is called "This Is Why You'll Never Order Food Delivery Again." This one's part two. We're going to jump into that right after we give a big shout out to all the members of the channel. We got Creatively Insane, Carrie, Ryan Parks, Nicole, Token Tug, Casey Girl, Aaron, Taylor, Mama Dukes, Misty Summers, Lynn Willow, Driver Thoughts, Matt Creeker, Lynn, Amy Jane Doe, Liz, Nugget, My Hood Life, and Gary Willis, man. Appreciate all you guys for being members and doing what you do. If you guys want to get shout outs in all the videos and lives and take advantage of some perks, go ahead and check out the join button down below. You got 3 different tiers to choose from. See if one fits you. And if not, just hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and let's continue to grow that way because, subscribers mean a lot to, sponsorships and stuff like that. And yeah, that can equate to views too. So, which obviously helps support the channel by watching. So, thanks. Appreciate everybody out there. Anyways, man, let's go ahead and jump into this video and see what's going down, man. And again, shout out to Doorbell News. Let's go. I'm already subscribed to it. Let's hit that like button too. Anyways, boom, full screen. Let's go.
Watching Doorbell News.
Brooklyn, New York. A woman seems to be looking for a man, but she has the wrong apartment.
Also, I got your glasses, but I like them, so I put them on. But you can have them back because I think you have mine too.
What?
She said your name is Marquise.
Champaign, Illinois. Police.
What? There was somebody standing on the other side of the wall just out of the camera's view, and he was waiting for her to get the person, whoever was inside, to be dumb enough to open up the door to be like, what? And then, that person was going to run it and they was going to rob that motherfucker. Like, that's what that was right there. That was a smart man right there using that voice camera thing, looking at the phone like, what? I've never seen you. Them ain't my glasses, and I don't want them. So, yeah, y'all have a good one.
Looking for this guy for setting a fire at the town center apartments.
Damn, he came with all
He
the
appears
shits,
to be
bro.
using what looks like lighter fluid. He douses the door and tries to set it aflame.
That shit ain't working. Bruh.
Washington,
That's what you
D.C.
get,
Be on
dummy.
the lookout for this porch fire.
That shit is wild. Like, he was like, the fact that he was even ballsy enough to do that is wild in itself. But the fact that it didn't work for him, like, I'm like so happy because whoever was on the other side of that door was gonna have some issues. Because it looked like they was definitely not on like a bottom floor situation. So yeah, that would have been scary as shit. But it's dope that it didn't work for him. You know what I'm saying? Like the fact that he was that, like, he got disappointed and his plan sucked that bad that it didn't work. Whatever he didn't take into accountability. I don't know why the lighter fluid wouldn't, light up. I have no idea. Couldn't tell you. It looked like he was using a whole lot of fucking lighter fluid. It should have lit up as far as I'm concerned. That's how you know I'm not a good criminal. You know what I'm saying? I would have. But yeah, I'm glad it didn't work.
Peter.
Dummy. That nigga ran off with that package. He didn't even run off. He walked off.
Montgomery, Alabama. A woman calls the police after she spots a creep outside of her window.
Good morning, officer. Good morning, ma'am. Yeah, I was in my bathroom this morning, and I saw, just happened to look toward my bathroom window, and I saw a shadow, a tall black guy with a baseball cap on. I checked my video, but I don't know, he come from the side, but when I hollered, what the fuck, he heard me, took off.
Miami,
He
Florida.
said he took
An
off.
elderly Hispanic woman is seen
the hell?
stealing mail.
Oh, this old lady hit hard times, bro.
She
Hard
was like that
times.
identity theft.
She didn't make no good decisions in life. Golly. Bitch, and there ain't nobody else wearing that fucking shirt. Man, there's only one lady on the block with that shirt.
Brooklyn,
How
New
you even know
York.
who she is?
A porch pirate is seen trying to open someone's door. She creeps around the corner and then walks off. Miami, Florida. Be on the lookout for this blonde-haired mail thief. Washington, D.C. A couple of female porch pirates seem to be up to no good. They're walking around with a few packages in their hands, and then they run off and hide.
I'm trying to hop in the car and turn the car on. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Come on. God damn, they got a bag and everything. They over here fucking straight
Typical porch
robbing.
pirate behavior. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
We'll pull you out. You gotta leave.
A homeowner hears a man yelling belligerently outside of their home. The man then takes the homeowner's floodlight and then tosses it.
Oh shit. And goes right back to the stairs and sits his ass down. Look at him, asshole. He drunk and belligerent.
Meanwhile, in Brooklyn.
Oh, she back?
You just said your door was open and there's a dog in there. Can I at least see your dog, please?
No.
But I love you.
What?
I love you, Marquise. I love you.
Walton, Kentucky. A DoorDash driver is spotted doing the unthinkable. During a food delivery, a homeowner spots the DoorDash driver urinating in her driveway.
Oh,
The DoorDash
damn.
customer was disgusted, and of course she reported him to DoorDash and got a refund for the food. Nobody wants to eat any food before or after knowing that you were urinating. I don't care if this was after you delivered the food. Just the thought of seeing you urinating and looking at my food is enough to gross me out. You need to get lost. You need to get fired. This is disgusting.
It really is nasty as shit. But at the end of the day, some of these DoorDash drivers, some of the restaurants won't let them go in and use the bathroom, I know. Some of them do. Like, you know, it's not all restaurants. But especially after the whole pandemic situation, I know there was a lot of rules against them being able to go in and use the bathroom and whatnot. And yeah, like, that's gross, bro. I know you on a clock. I know you trying to make some money because you getting paid per delivery. So you just trying to move. But goddamn, bro, you can take the time to stop and take a piss, wash your hands. Shit. That's nasty. Ugh. Wow. Ugh.
San Leandro, California. This porch pirate takes some sort of pot holder from someone's porch.
What? Bitch, you trying to grow something or what?
Miami, Florida. Another porch pirate is seen snooping through someone's mailbox. This mail theft thing seems to be really popular.
In fact, people are just kleptomaniacs.
I didn't know so many people like to steal mail.
He looking for nigga, let me find a rock to steal. Look at how beautiful it is. Holy shit. Snoop up here. She is fucking ugly. I know beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but golly. Yeah, we already got you on camera. You've been got.
Get lost. Portland, Oregon. Just when you thought you couldn't get any lower, a woman is seen in a hood, stealing somebody's baby stroller.
Oh, she pregnant and broke.
Some poor baby isn't gonna be able to stroll down the street anymore.
She's pregnant and broke, so she's out here trying to steal
These
all the
porch
shit
pirates
she
have no
needs for this new
sympathy
baby
and
she
no
got
heart.
coming on the way. That's what that is. Look, she looked pregnant.
Meanwhile, in Brooklyn,
This bitch is
she's
still
back.
here? Go away.
You can open the door.
She needs to get lost.
Just call the police on her. She on drugs and shit, bro. Call the police. Oh, you think it's a retina scanner? Oh my God, bro. Holy shit. Well, at least we know there ain't nobody right there next to the door.
Okay, so does it do anything else? Like, what is this?
Wow.
Miami, Florida. The blonde-haired mail theft lady is back. This lady's a repeat offender. Be on the lookout for her.
She out here looking for checks and shit. That's what she's out here doing.
Another repeat offender. The wife beater guy is back. This time he's seen stealing a couple packages. He comes back and finishes the job. He doesn't just take
Damn.
one packages. He takes 2 packages. He takes 3 packages. Akron, Ohio. Another mail theft. You gotta protect.
Like, bro, come on. Somebody, you need to start having your packages delivered to, like, the little Amazon hub. Send them to your mama's house. Send them somewhere other than your spot. Because you obviously are never
Nowadays,
home when
they're
your
trying to
shit
get
get
your
there.
info. They're trying to get your credit cards. They're trying to get your social security number. You better keep your stuff protected.
Taking fucking pictures.
This lady just
She's-
doesn't get it. She's apparently out of her mind. And we'll be praying for her.
Facts.
Open the door.
Bitch, put my camera down and go home.
No, open the door, Marquise. Open the door. I want to.
Redmond, Washington. A female porch buyer is seen snatches someone's package, and then she skips off real jolly.
Yeah, she does. Look at her.
She seems to have a nice car. She seems to be a
Wow.
professional at this.
She even put her seatbelt back on. The fuck?
Here come the cops.
Hi. I'm good. It looks like somebody, yeah. It looks like somebody broke in, and I'm trying to get home.
It looks like someone broke in.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
She had the audacity to say, yeah, it looks like someone broke in. She probably was sitting there trying to blame the camera falling off the door on somebody else. Like, I was just trying to put the camera back up. Fuck out of here, bro. She was nuts. That was the craziest one, was her, bro. The fact that they had to break that shit up into like 5, 6 different parts to just kind of like, and meanwhile, and back at fucking in Brooklyn, Harlem, fucking New York and shit and blah, blah, blah. Like, the fuck, bitch? Like, go home. God damn, she was on some shit, bro. She was on that shit. Anyways, y'all thought about that down in the comments below. Catch you on the next one. Peace.